Are you sad because of a girl? I'm Addison, and here is your personal affirmation session to restore your self-confidence, mindset, and posture. These famous quotes are 18 affirmations for squashing self-doubt and anxiety and replacing it with patience, resilience, and dreams of a better tomorrow. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. There are only 2 mistakes one can make along the road to truth: not going all the way and not starting. Buddha. 17. The only thing you take with you when you're gone is what you leave behind. John Alston. 16. Only one thing has to change for us to know happiness in our lives: where we focus our attention. Greg Anderson. In real love, you want the other person's good. In romantic love, you want the other person. Margaret Chase Smith. Follow your dreams. Just make sure to have fun too. Chris Brown. People will buy anything that is one to a customer. Sinclair Lewis. Love is letting go of fear. Gerald Jampolsky. Illness strikes men when they are exposed to change. Herodotus. It's been my experience that every time I think I know where it's at, it's usually somewhere else. Blake Edwards. Some people talk because they think sound is more manageable than silence. Margaret Halsey. This morning's scene is good and fine. Long rain has not harmed the land. Du Fu. I'm going to memorize your name and throw my head away. Oscar Levant. Crime is naught but misdirected energy. Emma Goldman. He who avoids complaint invites happiness. Abu Bakr. Health is the greatest gift, contentment the greatest wealth, faithfulness the best relationship. Buddha. The hardest thing in the world to understand is the income tax. Albert Einstein. The greatest discovery of all time is that a person can change his future by merely changing his attitude. Oprah Winfrey. Pain nourishes courage. You can't be brave if you've only had wonderful things happen to you. Mary Tyler Moore. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.